Hello, welcome back. Today we're doing things a little bit different. Instead of going to a vintage recipe out of a vintage cookbook that has questionable ingredients and, disastrous outcomes, today we are going to be looking at the train wrecks of your life and recipes that can help or aid those train wrecks in any way. So today we are making, I haven't changed my shirt in 3 days, peanut noodles. Haven't changed my shirt in 3 days, peanut noodles. I have found myself not leaving the house for long periods of time. When you have to sit and go, when was the last time I changed my shirt? It's usually an indicator that I've let my self-care go a little bit and that I'm about to start a little bit of a depression that could turn into a big depression, which I really like to avoid at all costs if possible. When I feel that coming on, I really do like a few things. A, I need some fresh vegetables. I feel like bright, colorful, multicolored fresh vegetables do wonders for me when I start feeling that way. B, I need it to be easy because if I am depressed, I really don't want to do anything. So C is that it's a very nice combination of comfort food and good for you food, because I need to be comforted. I need to have that sort of comfort level to bring me up when I'm feeling down. So the peanut noodles that we're making today, it is vegetarian. It doesn't have to be. You can definitely grill some chicken or add some other protein that you want to throw in there. I often serve it with tofu. Today it is just going to be the vegetables and noodles and the peanut miso sauce. Snack, and we're gonna put that aside because this is a mostly raw vegetable dish. It makes it really easy. You have a nice little light, bright, crunchy vegetable component to it. Definitely use green cabbage. It doesn't have to be purple. I really like the color contrast. This is like literally aesthetics only, of the purple cabbage, the orange carrots, and the green asparagus. Just think it makes a fun, nice pop. So if you've never dispatched a cabbage before, this is just the cutest little petite cabbage you've ever seen. And again, in quarters, and you're gonna keep that core in there because that's going to help you have your integrity while you're slicing this. And to slice as fine as possible. So the last and final vegetable that we're throwing into this mix is the asparagus. I'm just gonna do like 2-inch pieces. Do I have a carrot in my hair? Oh God, a mess. And these noodles take 3 to 5 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and just throw that asparagus right in with it. So the peanut sauce we can get done while we are waiting for those noodles to boil. You don't have to feel that pressure in real life though. If that is something, if cooking simultaneous things at the same time is too much pressure for you, don't worry about it. Both of the things take less than 5 minutes, so it's a 10-minute total. But you have this opportunity now while the noodles are cooking if you want to throw your sauce in. We're gonna do 1 clove of garlic. Okay. I'm just gonna smash that real fast. Then we're gonna do sort of a 1-inch knob of ginger. I buy fresh ginger quite a bit, so I don't always finish it. So this one I had kept in the freezer. So you just need to have it out for just a few minutes and it will slack enough for you to be able to cut. And we are just slicing this roughly because it's going to go in the blender. It doesn't need to be, this might be more like 1.5 to 2 inches knob of ginger, but I really love ginger, so it's okay.
What should I do? Bad luck, bad day. What should I do? Bad luck, bad day. What should I do?
All right. So this is a nice thick sauce. I would classify this as my winter peanut sauce. It's definitely a little bit richer, a little bit more umami, like really a bold hit. That bold hit though is going to be balanced with the fresh vegetables and the noodles. So it all comes together in a really delicious way. All right, so now we're going, so you're done really. You've made your peanut sauce, you've made your noodles, you've cut your vegetables, and that took me about 20 minutes to do the whole thing from start to finish. And like I said, if you're horrified by the amount of vegetables that I have prepped here, that is because I'm feeding a whole family with it. If you just want this to be a quick, easy thing, you're just doing 1 carrot. You're just chopping a little bit of that cabbage off. It is super, super easy. It's as easy as you want to make it, or as little or as much as you want to make it. The sauce is really, I do have this whole batch of sauce, but you can put that on anything. It's super good on chicken. It's super good on tofu, on salad, if you want. So there you have it. I wish you well. I wish you clean shirts and the desire to get up and wear them. But if not, check us back next week and see what we have going on then. All right, good luck. Bye.